Hillbilly Nitro, your internet knife and gun guru. Here we are, guys, back with another episode. Yeah, first knife vid of 2021. Think you guys know what's already in here. You've probably seen the title. I don't know. What do you think about that melon tester right there, guys? Is that not a cool old vintage piece right there? My dad gave that to me. I don't know where he picked it up at. That's a cool one. Look at those old. I don't know if that's a carbon spring there or carbon looks like brass liners there. I'm not really sure, but it's supposed to be stainless, at least the blade anyway. It's an oldie. Cool piece of advertising history there, like they used to do back in the day. Pretty cool. Check that out. Germany, some German stainless. Anyways, guys, oh, there we go. Anyways, yeah, we got us a TC Barlow in here, and I thought this would be a good day to bring this old baby out. I still have it, so we'll take a look at this one too. We'll do a little comparison there. You'll have to excuse the hands today, guys. I ran out of my lotion here. This is great stuff right here. It will keep your hands going good. It'll stop this stuff. But I gotta get some more, run out. So I'm I'm struggling. So bear with the hands, guys. I apologize. Anyways, guys, let's get to this, and I guess we'll just use this old melon tester here. Get this going. Very cool old knife. I love these old melon testers. It's my first one actually, but I love the look of them. Look at that thing, it's huge. Here, give you an idea of it there. Oops, dropped the box. 10 inches. Pretty cool. Glad this was in the box. Whew, precious cargo in this thing right here. So let's get to this here. Hope you guys have been doing well. There we go. Some paper. What is this? Oh, look at that. No Bravo Sierra. Classified info. Okay, so we're done with that. That's cool. No Bravo Sierra Barlow. Pretty cool. Autumn gold bone. You know I love that autumn bone. Anything that's autumn bone, you know I love it. So there's the old 2018 ball and chain, whatever you want to call it there. Oh, let's not forget this one, guys. Oh, look at that. That 85. Ain't had her out in a while. Here we go, guys. There's your tube. I'm sure you guys already know what that looks like. Tidioute. I always call it Tidioute, but I've been corrected. It's Tidioute. Tidioute, mate. Tidioute. Look at that. You ready? I'm ready. Look at that, guys. Somebody told me, I'm not going to mention no names, but they're calling these the streak. Skidmark, I mean. Skidmark, not the streak, the Skidmark. And I can see where they're getting that nickname. Excuse me, guys. I'm sorry. Let's get to this. It's 4 minutes. Oh, man. That was nice. That felt great. Very nice. Very nice. Check that centering there. On the money, honey. Man, I wish I could have got one of these for myself. I tried 3 times on the, what is it, the C. Reisner website. They done a little lottery on 3 different ones of these, and I didn't get picked. I tried, guys, but we got one anyways. I tried for one of those fishing lures, you know, the glitter bugs, I'm calling them. I'd like to have one of those silver glitter bugs or a gold one. That feels great, guys. That pull is probably about a, let me think here. I'm gonna say about a 6.5 maybe on a good day. Feels great though, just smooth as butter. And we're gonna test her out. We know what to come from the factory here, so we're gonna throw a little ballast oil in there. Just right there on that half stop there. See what she's like all lubed up. Man, it feels, I mean, it's just a crisp break, like you're breaking a carrot. Beautiful. Check that out, guys. Let's take a look around her first here. Look at that. Skidmark. Let me wipe her off here. What a beauty. That's a beauty, guys. Look at that. TC Barlow, number 15. Man, that's a beauty. And wipe that blade real carefully here. This one is not mine. I probably won't get one of these, but hey, I got one for you guys to take a look at. Good as gold, good as gold. Looks like it's got a couple little faint switches there. Somebody's wiped it the wrong way or something. Not bad though. Wipe with the grain, guys. Wipe with the grain. Just a beautiful satin finish there. That cut in swedge there. And long nail nick there. What a beauty. Let's check the transitions out there. Feel great. Nice and smooth, slick. Slick as butter. Man, that's a beauty, guys. For you guys that was lucky enough to score one, you gotta, if they're anything like this one, it's a great piece. I'm glad to see that these have some little pull to them. They're probably a tad light for some people, but I like a little light pull like that right there. We're gonna let's get you the weight measurement, then we'll get that other 15 out there. Bring back some vintage here, 2018. Okay, let's get you some weights and measurements here. There she is in grams, 61.7. So there we go. There. Get you the measurements here. 87.96. That's millimeters. There. 3.46. Let's get you that cutting edge there. There's your cutting edge. No, can't get the overall on that one. Suspect it's just a hair over 6. Yep. Just a hair over 6 there. Just under 6.25 there. Very nice. Check that out, guys. Very nice. Let's get you the look at this vintage number 15 here. Haven't had this one out in a while. Oh, look there. Oops, hit the camera. Okay, hit the camera. There we go. There's a number 15 Huckleberry. This is with the bell and chain. These are pretty cool. I don't think they were a very big hit with most folks. I like it. I think it's just, I don't know, it's a throwback to the old school, what kids used to have back in the day. They'd have their little pocket knife out playing cowboys and Indians. Check that out. I think it's just a cool little knife, and you don't have to keep that on there. You can pull that off. I've been thinking about making a brass bell for it. Just a cool little knife there. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. There they are up close. Very nice. Thought about selling this at one time, but no. I like it. Pretty cool little knife. And then you slip that on your button on your jeans, and you have a chain to your knife. And for you guys that have hung in this video, I thought I'd do. Check this out, guys. We almost nailed it, guys. Tuesday's Mega Millions. We almost nailed it. There's the winning numbers there. You see what we won there. We matched 4 times 2. So, yeah, we won a little something. We almost hit it major, though. With Hillbilly Nitro, almost went platinum, guys. My luck. Anyways, guys, that's going to wrap this video up. I really appreciate you guys stopping by and hanging out with me, taking a look at this little beauty right here. Man, these things are hot right now. Everybody's wanting one. And we'll put this little Skidmark in the history books. Anyways, guys, I thank you guys for tuning in with me. We'll catch you on the next one, guys. Hillbilly, over and out of here, guys. Peace. What a little beauty. See you guys.